Would you like to start making money on Fiverr? In order to get started, you must have a seller account. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you from start to finish how you can set up your own seller account on Fiverr so that you can post your own gigs. People can then buy that and you will then make money. So if you're interested in selling on Fiverr, make sure you watch this video until the end and then let's just get started right now. Alright, so here we are on my PC. In order to get started selling on Fiverr, you want to go to their website or you can sign up to become a seller. You will find that option kind of in the top right corner. So step number one, click on become a seller. Basically how this works is that you're gonna create a gig, people can then buy that, you're then gonna deliver the work and you will then get paid. That's a very short description of how this works. You wanna find the become a seller button and then you can sign up for an account. You can sign up using Facebook, Google, Apple, or simply enter your email address. Then click on continue. This is where you need to choose a username. So I want you to pay attention here because you cannot change your username once you've made your account. So make sure to choose a username that you would like to go with and you're 100% sure you want to use it because you cannot change it later on in the process and not even when you've created your account. Once you've done that, you want to click on join and then you've just created your own Fiverr seller account. But we're not done yet, we're just getting started. So as you can see right there, you need to activate your account. So you want to go over to your email and then confirm and activate your account. So click on the activate button and there we go, account successfully activated. And right now we're going to set up our profile. So once you've just created your seller account, you want to make sure to set up your profile so that you actually look reliable and people will actually start buying from you as a seller. So we can start off by entering our full name. So for this video, I'm going to go with some random names because I don't want to enter all of my own information, but you want to make sure, of course, to use your own name. So right there, we've got email. Then we can choose our online status. I recommend clicking forever. So when online, your gigs are visible under the online search filter. This will give you more reach and more chance of actually selling. So click forever on this one. Click save changes and then that's set up. Alright, once you've set up your account, you want to click on the become a seller button once again so that you can start setting up your actual seller profile, because what we've just did is we've just created a normal account. So click on the become a seller button and then we can start setting up our seller account. And here we are. So we're going to set up our personal info, professional info, linked accounts, security, and then we're set. We can start selling on Fiverr. Let's get going. So if we scroll down, once again, you have to enter your full name. Step number 2 is adding a profile picture. So you can click right here or you can then upload a picture. Next up, you can add a description. So this is where you can share a bit about your work experience, cool projects that you've done, and your area of expertise. So for example, I'm pretty good at YouTube SEO. I would sell YouTube SEO gigs. You can then say, I'm a YouTube SEO expert that specialized in ranking videos on YouTube search page, for example. I've done this for a few years and views. There we go. So I just said I'm a YouTube SEO expert that specialized in ranking videos on the YouTube search page. I've done this for a couple of years and right now I've amassed a total of 50 million views. So this is pretty much where you would talk about what it is that you do and what you're good at. You can then add languages as well, but that's it for now. I'm going to click on continue and this is where we can set up our professional info. You can start off by choosing your occupation. So click right there and then choose what it is that you do. So I'm going to go with digital marketing since YouTube SEO falls under that category. So I've been doing that since, let's see, 2017 and right now it's 2020 and there we go. Next up, you want to choose the option that fits for you. So I'm just going to do this at random since this is just an example. So I'm doing content marketing, marketing strategies, and social media marketing as well. Next up, you can add your skills. So let's say that you're a video editor. You then type in video editing and you can then add that as a skill. You can add multiple skills. So I'm going to go with video editing. I'm a intermediate. Let's just put it at that and then click add new. Then I'm going to do YouTube marketing, experienced or beginner. Click add new. So you can see where this is going. This is where you can add all of your skills on your profile. Next up, you can add your education. So I did not go to college, so I'm not gonna add a college over here. If you went to a college, you can add that if you want to. You can also add certifications and your personal website if you have any. For this video, I'm going to skip these options because for me, they're not relevant. Next up, you can link your accounts if you want to. You have the option to link your Google, Facebook, or Twitter account. Once again, for this video, I'm going to skip this, but you can always do that yourself. And then in order to secure your account, you can add your phone number if you want to. Once again, for the video, I'm not going to do it. So I'm going to click on continue and create your first gig. All we need to do now is click right here to create our seller account. And that's it for this Fiverr tutorial. If this video helps you out, I would appreciate it if you can leave a like on the video. I'm not going to try and sell you anything, so all I'm going to ask for in return is a like on the video. That will really help me out. I'm also going to make a video about how you can set up your first gig, so I'll leave that somewhere up on the screen right now if you want to go check that out. Make sure to do so, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.